Hi students, welcome back to Google Classroom, Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. How are you children? Hope you all are fine over there. In the previous class, we have discussed the introduction part of major domains of the earth. Hope you learned that portions. Children, now you know what are the 4 domains of the earth, right? What are they? Yes, there are lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere and biosphere. Today we will discuss in detail about lithosphere. What is lithosphere? Yes, lithosphere is the solid portion of the earth and it comprises the rocks of earth crust and thin layers of soil. And it mainly contains nutrient elements which sustain organisms. Then there are 2 main divisions of the earth's surface. What are they? They are ocean basins and continents. Then what are ocean basins?
The huge water bodies on Earth's surface are called ocean basins. Then what are continents? The large land masses on Earth's surface are called continents. Now let's discuss the main features of ocean basins. First one is all the oceans in the world are connected with one another. Look at the map of the world. Here you can see all the oceans of the world are connected with one another. And one of the interesting fact is that the sea level is taken as 0 since the level of sea water remains the same everywhere. And the elevation of land, that means how high a land is measured from the sea level, that is which we take as 0. And the greatest depth of 11,022 meters is recorded at Mariana Trench in Pacific Ocean. So these are the main features of ocean basins. Then let's discuss about continents. There are 7 major continents. They are Asia, Europe, Africa, North America, South America, Australia and Antarctica. They are separated by large water bodies. And the major part of the landmass lies in the northern hemisphere. Now let's discuss each of these continents in detail. First one is Asia. Asia is the largest continent and it covers about 1/3 of the total land area of the earth. The continent lies in the eastern hemisphere and the Tropic of Cancer passes through this continent. And Asia is separated from Europe by the Ural Mountains on the west. And the most important feature is world highest mountain peak, Mount Everest, is situated in Asia. Its height is 8,848 meters above the sea level. So these are the main features related to Asia. And the next one is Europe. Europe is much smaller than Asia. That means it is the second smallest continent and it lies to the west of Asia. The Arctic Circle passes through Europe and it is bound by water bodies on 3 sides. And the combined landmass of Europe and Asia is called Eurasia. Do you know how it gets its name? The letters EUR coined from the word Europe and the remaining letters coined from the word Asia. And the next one is Africa. Africa is the second largest continent after Asia. And it is very important because the equator passes almost through the middle of this continent. And it is the only continent through which the equator, the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn, all 3 passes. And a large part of Africa lies in the northern hemisphere. And it is also bound on all sides by oceans and seas. And the most interesting facts are world's largest hot desert, that is Sahara Desert, located in Africa. And the world's longest river, that is Nile, also flows through Africa. So these are the main features related to Africa. And the remaining continents will be discussed in the next class.
So students, I hope all of you understood the concept clearly. And please note that the related URLs, notes of the lesson and test paper are also attached along with the class. Make use of these available materials. Study well and attend the test paper without fail. That's all for today. Thank you.